So there's something going on with the history of this vehicle that we're not being told. Found some wiring pull loops in the trunk, not a good indicator. That means something has been done probably in the past on this vehicle. There's just things not adding up with the history of this vehicle. So we know it was an Albertan car, it was a leased vehicle, then it was brought into BC, it was leased to the previous owner, and then he bought it and transferred it numerous times back and forth. So he's like the second owner, really. So it's not making sense what was done on this vehicle. Now, from what we're seeing, this isn't done by a dealership. This is somebody in the backyard or thinking they know what they're doing and messing around with the vehicle. So there is more and more issues that we are pulling out with this car. As it sits right now, the car will not start. That's it. It is stationary. Nothing will power up. The radio powers up, but we cannot get the ignition to work. So we're going to be contacting our friends at Jaguar, and we're going to see what they say. We did notice that on the secondary battery, it is so worn out, the labels, that we don't know if that is an issue that's causing part of this. So we're going to have to go and find out what battery is there and replace that. And then we're going to put the other battery onto a charger, ramp it right up,